Tubid hops, fires, scores.
Sabi sa'yo, yung energy niyan, hindi mo matitinig. Kahit magdamag mo palaro niya, gano'n lalaro niya. Pero malapit na siyang palitan ni James Yap, kaya namamadali siya umiscore.
And here's Ranidel from the corner.
Talagang very much on track ang offensive game ni Ranidel.
And the ball goes out. So, Manilongo sits down in favor of Negrense. And James Yap is back in the ball game. Joe Devance on the move. Devance inside for two. Must be great if you're a player and you make it to your first All-Star game. It is validation.
Yeah.
It's a recognition of what you've done in your career.
Lalo na kung first or second timer ka, talagang ganado ka dyan. Gusto mo talaga magpakita. No? Look at that. Sabi ni Willie, kanina pa ako dito hindi kasali. Dalawang layup na ito na miss ko.
And Cardona off the mark. Rebound para kay Devance. 9 minutes to go in the first half. So right now, still a 2-point game in favor of the North, 47-45. And Ryan Reyes with a nice finger roll. And James Yap needing a lot of white shirts here. The North going back on defense very quickly. Roger Yap, two-man game with Reyna Lugnatan. And Meyerhofer being bothered by his teammate, James Yap. Meyerhofer outside Cardona. Cardona for three. Yes, sir!
Got 10 in the ball game right now. His second three-point shot conversion in this ball game.
Right now, the North.
Ganda ng pasa ni Roger Yap.
Roger is not really your prototype point guard, Dr. J.
Yeah. Well, even in the PBL, when I first saw him, he was a shooting guard, but they converted him. And, he's got a lot of basketball smarts. That's why he was able to convert into the point guard position.
Willie Miller sits down in favor of J.J. Helterbrand, and on the line is Reyna Lugnatan, who's been the Swiss knife of the Alaska Aces. He can come off the bench. He can start for Tim Cone. Either way, he can be equally effective.
Yeah.
Over 7 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Here's Meyerhofer. Bothered by the defense of Kuya James Yap, and then he got his own miss.
Maganda talaga nag-improve rin ang depensa ni James Yap, especially last conference. I think the whole team improved its defense by a vast margin. Eric Menk, nice pass again to Lugnatan. Eric Menk taking care of the boards right now.
Roger Yap. And here's a 3-on-2 break. Cardona getting it off the glass. A nice pass coming from Ryan Reyes. Now it's a 6-point lead for the North, 56-50, with 6:59 remaining in the first half.
Cyrus Baguio coming back into the ball game, replacing Don Ontiveros. Tim Cone really giving all of his players ample time to prove themselves. Then obviously in the third and fourth quarter, he's going to have to pick the players that are going to help him with this game, because he doesn't want to lose this game.
Missed by Ryan Reyes. Eric Menk with the rebound as we near the halfway mark of the second quarter. James Yap fires, misses. James Yap having a tough shooting night here in Puerto Princesa as Helterbrand scoots in and he missed it.
Well, medyo nailang siya kay Cyrus Baguio, who nudged him from the behind a little bit. Cyrus just goes straight up, doesn't use the glass. 6 points in the ball game now for Cyrus.
Now here's Reyes, handoff Meyerhofer. Back to Ryan Reyes.
Good defense again by Roger Yap.
It is James Yap.
No.
Look, iba rin to si Mac Cardona, no? Dumidepensa ay palayo.
Galit si James eh. Gusto mo akong blankahin ba? Ano? Ba't bigla ka umalis? Pagod na rin. Ito yata ang perfect shooting eh. Hindi ko pa yata nakikita mag-miss si Ranidel. He doesn't take that many shots pero puro pasok. 58-56 in favor of the North All-Stars. Nice steal there by Cyrus.
And a foul given up by Meyerhofer. I think si Cardona ay
all pooped out.
hingal na. If Cardona was telling Meyerhofer, pare, foul mo na. Para mapalitan na ako. Hingal na ako eh. Yan, one of our hosts here, the Mike Bertel. Yan ang ating sa mga tahanan dito. Back with more from the PBA All-Star Game in Puerto Princesa.
Back here inside the Puerto Princesa Coliseum, Chicky Reyes here at courtside, and you're watching the 2010 PBA All-Star Weekend culminating event inside here sa loob ng napakagandang Coliseum. At kasama ko po ngayon walang iba kundi si Mark Pingris. Mark, yung opening number nyo kanina, sino ba nag-design at gano'ng katagal nyo pinaghandaan yun?
Well, kanina lang, pagkalabas namin, pinaghandaan ni Willie Miller yun, and Arwin Santos. Basta pag mga ganyan, All-Star, sila naman yun, tuturo sa amin ng mga sayaw.
Alright, dito naman tayo sa kabila. Itong Spitfire naman nating na point guard. Paul Artadi, ang ganda na nilaro mo nung first quarter. Quickly, sa tingin mo, sino mananalo dito? North or South?
It's up to the fourth quarter kung sino mananalo. Pero gagalingan namin. Binabati ko mga Hilongos sa Tito Mario, Tito Bobby.
Alright, Nico, Dr. J?
Sa mga Pangasinan.
Si Chicky Reyes with an all-star seat. right there on the north bench. At ito yung naging pre-game dance kanina to the tune of napakasayang kanta, Careless Whisper.
Kasi ba yun?
Sabi nila CD mo daw yun. Yan. Siyempre ang hangarin dito ng ating PBA All-Stars is to entertain the fans watching here in Puerto Princesa and the thousands watching in their homes.
I noticed that Eric Meng's really making an effort to prove that he should be here in the All-Star yard. I mean, he's been working on defense, he's been rebounding, and he's been running with the break, no? Even the primary break.
Look at this 4-on-2 break for the South. And Hugnatan, he's been very busy here in the first half.
J.J. Helterbrand getting a basket there.
Baguio with a miss. And Ryan Reyes clears the rebound. We're tied at 60 with 4:19 remaining in the second quarter. And Arwin Santos scores over the defense of Roger Yap.
Well, that was a 4-on-1 situation. He had the smallest man back there trying to protect the basket. So, 2-point lead here for the North All-Stars. Pick and roll play here. Roger Yap missing that one badly, and there's nobody for safety here. Arwin Santos way ahead of the pack. That's going to give Tim Cone fits.
Arwin Santos now back-to-back baskets and he has 8 points. So 64-60, 4-point lead para sa North. And another possession here for the North team. J.J. Helterbrand looking at Gabe Norwood, and Helterbrand has to pull out here. Waiting for Arwin Santos and now Ryan Reyes. Here's Norwood on the left side against James Yap. Outside Helterbrand. Helterbrand for 3. Rebound for James Yap. James all the way. Oh, I lost it. Offensive night para kay James Yap. And we have a 4-point game, 64-63 and 17 to go. Back in a moment. And action continues here in Puerto Princesa as ito